They told me restoring that 1969 Mustang would bring it back to life. They didn't say what else it would bring back. I bought the car off a junkyard in a small town outside Denver. Rusted metal, shattered windshield, no engine, just a hollow body waiting for a second chance. I'd been restoring classic cars for years, but something about this one felt personal, almost like it wanted to be fixed. The junkyard guy, an old man with trembling hands, warned me, "Some things don't need resurrection, son." I laughed it off. The deal was too good. I spent nights in my garage tearing it apart. Every dent, every wire, every screw. I replaced it. It was therapeutic. But the deeper I went, the stranger things got. Tools moved on their own. The radio played old news reports from 1971, even though it wasn't connected. Once, I found a dried bloodstain under the back seat, shaped like a handprint. Still, I kept going. After months, the car looked brand new. Midnight black paint, chrome shining like a mirror, engine roaring smoother than thunder. It wasn't just restored, it was reborn. But that night, when I turned the key, the headlights flickered, and for a split second, I saw a man's reflection in the rearview mirror. A man who wasn't me. Next morning, the garage door was open. The car was gone. I thought someone stole it until I found it parked outside my house. Engine still warm, radio whispering an old voice. "You shouldn't have fixed me." The police didn't believe a word, said maybe I'd sleepwalked and drove it myself. But every night, it kept happening. The car would vanish, return at dawn with dirt on its tires, like it had been somewhere, doing something. One night, I followed it. It drove itself down the empty highway, headlights slicing through the dark. I tailed it in another car until it stopped in front of a rundown house. A woman stepped out, older now, trembling. She looked at the Mustang and screamed, "You're supposed to be dead!" That's when I saw it. A faded photo she dropped. Her husband, standing beside the same Mustang in 1971, before he vanished. Suddenly, the car's engine roared, tires screeched, and it sped straight toward her porch. I jumped out, yelling, trying to stop it, but it was too late. The house exploded in fire and smoke. The Mustang burned, metal twisting and melting like it was alive, like it wanted to end it all. When the flames died, the car was gone. Not even ash left behind. Next morning, I found something under the tarp in my garage. The same 1969 Mustang. Perfect, shining, waiting. And this time, the radio was already on. Voice from the speakers. "Your turn, mechanic."